Yes, guys, it's really scary right now what ChatGPT can do for you. It can literally do nearly everything in the design world. I want to show you on today's video how you can actually make money through ChatGPT, but literally through words, through prompts, you can create and replicate something that I'm going to show you right now, which you can make money from, and it will actually blow your mind. Now, guys, if you love all things digital products, AI, and all of that good stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. Now, let me explain, guys. I'm on Etsy right now, which is a fantastic platform that sells all sorts of things, including digital products. Now, a lot of people sell this thing called Faceless Portraits. And what this is basically portraits that a customer would want. And what they do is they would send a photo of themselves, like something like any of these, and they would ask the seller to transform it into a portrait. And they call these faceless portraits. Now, I've done a video on this where I actually use a few different platforms, AI platforms, to create this. But right now, ChatGPT has changed the game forever. They've made it so much quicker and easier to produce this. And actually, you can do it for free. Now, if you do intend to use it for a lot, then yes, you do need to get a subscription at some point, but it's really, really cheap. So I'm going to show you right now in literally a few minutes how you can show and use something that is working, that sells really well on Etsy, and do something similar. So check this out. Now, as I've said, I'm on Etsy right now, and this is a popular faceless one line drawing portrait, right? Which you can see right now. And you can see that it's got 714 monthly sales so far, which is huge. I actually looked at this last time. Now, if you do want to find information, look at these. Look at these. All of these on this line are doing really, really well. And you can actually do these too using ChatGPT. Now, the thing about this is there's a lot of information here, which I get. Now, you can do check out Everbee, which is my fantastic research tool, which you can check out on the link below. And you definitely need to find some kind of tool so you can actually see what's working, what's selling. So I definitely recommend Everbee. But coming back to this faceless custom one line drawing listing, let's just click on it and have a look at bit, look and see how much it's making right now. Okay, so let's have a look at this listing. This listing is really popular. You can tell it's got 20 plus in a basket. It's a bestseller. And literally how it works is the customer would send a photo and they would expect a line drawing just like this of the couple and the child and the dog, right? And writing the Jacksons underneath. It says ready in 6 hours, so it's really quick. But I'm going to show you right now how quick it is. This actually can be done in seconds. Now, before I get into this, let's see how much it actually does make. At the time of doing this video, this listing makes approximately $12,852. So very good income for one listing, one digital product, right? Now, let me show you using ChatGPT how to make this in seconds. Okay, guys, I'm on ChatGPT right now. So the first thing that you need to do, now, like I said, you can actually do this for free. However, if you do lots and lots of designs, it will prompt you to start paying a subscription. And you can start with the lowest tier, which is $20 per month at the time of doing this video, which is really, really cheap to what you're going to do. And how it works is you want to click the plus sign so you can upload the customer's photo, right? So let's say a customer sent you a photo and they want you to transform it into that line style. Then click the plus sign and then upload the photo. Okay, once the photo is uploaded, so all you need to do is type in what you want it to do. So create a line, create a, let's say, faceless. That's very important because that's what they want, faceless line drawing style of the photo. Okay, that's all you really need to write. You don't need to go into a lot of detail. And then let's see what it produces. You can always add, tweak, edit later if it doesn't get exactly how you want it. But let's try that out first. Okay, guys, so now that it's generated the design from the photo, let's have and see how it looks. This is the image that is created. That is amazing. Guys, look how amazing this looks. It's literally why I asked. they've created a line drawing without the faces. And if you go back into the video, you'll see that it looks exactly the same. And this is what I'm talking about, guys. ChatGPT has literally changed the game. It can do literally anything right now. Now I can go even further and look, portraits, if you go onto Etsy and you type in custom portraits, you'll see lots of different types. It's not just a line drawing one that can make money. It's also the painted types that also do very well. The watercolor, the other kind of painted faceless ones, they all can do really well. So I can always say something else like change the photo into a painted color faceless portrait. Change the, let me say original, just so it's clear, original photo into a painted color faceless portrait, guys. Okay, keep it really simple. You can always, like I said, edit, modify the prompt later. But like I said, in this case, with the line drawing, nothing needed to be done. It literally produced it in seconds. And now I'm going to show you just another type of portrait style, which again you can do. But like I said, the skill in this is to go to something like Etsy and just look at the styles that are making money. Just like I've shown you now, I've identified the line drawing style and then do something that works, guys. And like I said, guys, if you do want to know how to make money through AI, digital products, or ChatGPT, then put in the comment below digital products, and then I will do more videos like this. Now here you go, you can see a different style, which is again a painted style, but it's a faceless style. Again, completely different, but without the faces. And this is what I'm trying to say, guys. You can do literally anything. This just demonstrates how powerful ChatGPT is. Look at the styles that are working on platforms like Etsy and look to replicate that styles, taking the photo from the customer and changing it into the style that they want, guys. It really is as easy as that. And like I said, guys, it doesn't stop there. You can always increase or expand your reach in terms of your income streams by branching into other things like pet portraits. And pet portraits are absolutely massive too, and probably maybe even more lucrative in terms of money. And all you need to do is do a similar thing. So if I just go to the plus sign, and now what I've done is I've uploaded a pet photo, a dog photo, and then all I need to do is a similar thing, create a faceless line drawing of the dog photo, let's say, and click submit. Then it will probably do the same now again. Now remember, make sure that you look and see what styles are working. Like I said, the line drawing style does work very well. The line drawing faceless also works quite well. But there are many styles that do sell very well. You just need to make sure that you just replicate those different styles. Upload the photo and then upload the photo and then write the prompt in ChatGPT and it will produce it for you. The one thing you need to do after that is to do something called upscaling. And upscaling just means that making sure that the quality is really high and the resolution is really high. And you can do that very simply using something like Canva. I do have a lot of videos on my playlist on my channel which actually show you how to do that. So it's really simple. And then you download it into the correct format, which is usually a PNG file format, and then upload it to sell to the customer. And then as you can see right now, the image is being created by ChatGPT. And there you go, it's created a faceless pet portrait. Now, so if you did like the video, remember, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and don't forget to put digital products in the comments if you want more ideas. Take care. See you in the next one.